Alright, so on a problem like this, we have two forms of the equation. We have the y equals mx plus b, and then the standard form equation. For the standard form, you can either find the intercepts, which you always see me do it like this. I do that, and then if we cover up the x, so we'll just cover that up, pretend it's 0, we get negative 3y equals negative 6, so so y equals 2. And then we cover up the y, and we get 2x equals negative 6, so x equals negative 3. Alright, so we could plot those 2 points, negative 3, 0, and 0, 2. What's that doing there? Alright, so that we could do that and then continue the pattern that way. The other thing to do with this type of equation would be to write it into y equals mx plus b form. So here I would minus a 2x on both sides, and that gives me negative 3y equals negative 2x minus 6. What happened? Minus 6. And then I would divide everything by negative 3 and get y equals 2/3 x, right? Negative divided by a negative. So negative divided by a negative would give me 2/3 x. And then negative 6 divided by negative 3 is going to be just a 2. Alright, and that would give me the exact same line. I have my y-intercept of 2, and then a slope of 2/3, so up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, continuing my pattern and whatnot. And then here's the line. Now I'm going to graph the second one. So the second one has a y-intercept of, I'm looking at here, 2. So let me pick a different color here. It's a little too fat. There we go. So, actually, awful color. Here we go. That's going to give me a y-intercept of 2 right there. So, ignore that dot. And then it's going to give me a slope of negative 3. So you see there, my slope is negative 3. That's the same as negative 3 over 1. So that would be a down. From here, I'm going to go down 3 over 1. So over to here. So even though I already know that this is the answer right here, I still want to see that you can graph a whole complete correct line. Oops, that's the one. And there. Alright, so you don't have to draw straight lines, but you got to show me that you can graph correct lines. So my answer is x equals 0, y equals 2. Or you can just state it as this point here, which is the point 0, 2. Either one of these would be an acceptable final result.